Question 3. Predict the trend of atomic size, ionization energy, and electronegativity of Group 3A, Group 13, using periodicity. Group 3A elements: boron, B, aluminium, Al, gallium, Ga, indium, In, thallium, Tl. 1. Atomic size, atomic radius, trend, increases down the group. Reason: addition of new electron shells. Increased shielding effect. Order: B less than Al less than Ga less than In less than Tl. 2. Ionization energy. Trend: generally decreases down the group. Reason: atomic size increases outer electron loosely held. Exception: Ga has slightly higher ionization energy than Al, due to poor shielding of d electrons. 3. Electronegativity. Trend: generally decreases down the group. Reason: increase in atomic size reduces attraction for electrons. Note: slight irregularities due to d and f electrons. Draw dot cross, Lewis, structures of HCN, MgO, C2H4. 1. HCN, hydrogen cyanide, structure. C forms single bond with H and triple bond with N. N has one lone pair. 2. MgO, magnesium oxide, ionic compound. Mg loses 2 electrons and form Mg plus 2 ion. O gains 2 electrons and form oxide ion O2. O has complete octet. 3. C2H4, ethene, structure. H2C double bond CH2. Double bond between 2 carbons. Each carbon bonded to 2 H atoms. Question 4. Describe reactions of HCl with the following: Zn, NaOH, Na2CO3. 1. Reaction with zinc. Zn plus 2HCl produced ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. Type: single displacement reaction. Observation: hydrogen gas evolves. 2. Reaction with sodium hydroxide. HCl plus NaOH formed NaCl plus H2O. M. Type: neutralization reaction. Acid plus base forms salt plus water. 3. Reaction with sodium carbonate. Na2CO3 plus 2HCl formed 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 gas. Type: acid carbonate reaction. Observation: CO2 gas released, effervescence. How alkanes can be prepared from the following, and also mention the type of reactions in each case. Preparation of alkanes. Method: hydrogenation. ACH3CCH, alkane. CH3CCH plus 2H2 formed CH3CH2CH3. Type: addition reaction. B. CH3CCCH3, alkane. Carbon trihydride CCCH3 plus 2H2 formed CH3CH2CH2CH3. Type: addition reaction. CCH3CH2CH2Cl, alkane. CH3CH2CH2Cl plus H2 formed CH3CH2CH3 plus HCl. Method: reduction, substitution. Question 5. Define solubility. Explain how temperature affects solubility with a graph. Definition: solubility is the maximum amount of solute that dissolves in a given amount of solvent at a specific temperature. Effect of temperature. 1. For solid solutes in liquids, solubility increases with temperature. Reason: increased kinetic energy, more dissolution. 2. For gases in liquids, solubility decreases with temperature. Reason: gas escapes more easily at higher temperature. Conclusion: in solids, increased temperature increase solubility. In gases, increased temperature decrease solubility. Identify sources of lipids and their recommended daily intake for young adults. Sources of lipids and daily intake. Sources of lipids: butter, ghee, oils, vegetable oil, olive oil, meat, dairy products, milk, cheese, nuts. Recommended daily intake. Lipids should provide about 20 to 35% of total daily energy. For young adults, 60 to 80 grams per day, approximately.